The reason thyroid issues might be of interest to you is that they are extremely common. The chances of you having a thyroid issue are actually quite large. Thyroid problems are epidemic in this country, and it is estimated that 20 million people are currently taking thyroid medicine, and another 20 million have a thyroid condition but just don't know it. They don't know it because they haven't had a good thyroid test, or because they've taken a test and the test was read out as normal, when actually they do have a thyroid problem, even though they have normal tests.